Hi, today we're going to have a quick look at a very exciting feature in eSuite, and that is live integration to websites. To start with, let's have a look at the stock system. Straight away you'll notice that it's a tree structure. Of course we've got the good old-fashioned list view that other accounting systems support, but in eSuite we've got the ability to categorize our stock into a tree structure. So for example, and there's no limit to the number of levels you can create. So you've got branches of categories and then products at the lower level. And in fact, there's actually multiple navigation paths, so we don't have to have a single tree. We can have multiple tree structures for the stock items. So let's have a look at how it looks on the web. So first of all, I'm going to log in. Now we can control this. The users are controlled inside the accounting system. Now, what we've got here is and you can also, of course, post new users on the web as well. There's really no limit to what you can do. The integration it runs off as much or as little data as we choose to publish onto this website. So let's have a look at the catalog, and this is just a test website that we created for demo purposes. In a little while we'll have a look at some more interesting websites that we've created. So straight away we can see that we've got these categories here. Now let's say I want to take frozen foods off the website. What I'm going to do is I can just go like this and unweb enable it. So if we go back to the website, let's just have a look before we do that. We can see that frozen foods is listed there, right? Just above miscellaneous items. Okay, we're going to take it off the web, just remove that, and we go back to the website, go home, catalog, and frozen foods is now gone. Desserts is at the top. We have a web view which shows only the web enabled items, and it has a custom sort. So if I want to make the for example desserts lower down, I can change my sort and move it down, so I'll make it the third item on the list. Close this down and save these changes to my sort. Go back in, go to the web view, and we go back to the catalog and go home, go to the catalog, and now desserts is the third menu item. So let's go back into the eSuite. Now, one of the nice things about eSuite is that you don't need a third-party content management system. You can completely manage the entire website inside the accounting program, including images. So let's have a look at this under donuts, for example. I think I need an image for donuts. See here, I haven't got an image, so I'm going to grab one off the web, copy that image, and I'm going to put it into our eSuite program. So this is a folder. I'm editing a folder. I'll paste that in there, and there we go. That'll now be reflected on the website instantly. While we're at it, let's I know that this one hasn't got an image either. Let's just have a look while we're waiting for that. Oops, let's go back. That image should have come through desserts. There's that image that I just uploaded, and sorry, I'm looking at the wrong database. I want to upload a nice strawberry donut. Paste that in there, and while we're at it, I'm going to change the price. This is the price that we're publishing on the web. Again, there's unlimited price bands in the stock system. We've got user-defined fields here. I think we're publishing this data on the web. And in the web here, there's unlimited images. In terms of text, there's no limit to the number of text fields we can add. I'm only showing one here. We can actually also put HTML editor in here. You can attach PDFs and and video clips in here as well. So I'm just going to what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the price here to say $8.50. Okay, now before I finish that, let's just have a quick look. So you can see the strawberry donut is $6.50. It hasn't got an image, so we'll just finish that and go back into the catalog and go back in, refresh, and there's our nice strawberry donut. Okay, now another very important integration point with eSuite is the idea of a pantry reorder system. It's very important in the food industry because there's a lot of very subtle variances in product. It's very important that customers get the product that they want. Might be prawns or something like that, and the customer always wants a certain size prawn. Maybe they want the tiger prawns size 16. It's very common that you need to keep track of what the customer regularly orders and let them reorder the same items. And so we've got a really neat solution for that. I'm going to go into the customer screen, and we've got this thing called B2B pricing. Now we've got a whole demo that's based around this B2B pricing where we show how it works inside the core program of eSuite. Now I'm just going to show how it works integrated to the website. So here's the items that this customer usually orders, and here's the same reorder screen in the website, and all those business rules, and you can check out that other video, are all conformed. They all apply in here. So I've got a quantity must be in multiples of 5. All right, so we'll place 10 of those, and this item here comes in packets of 6 to a box. So if I order 2, for example, 2, the price will be 23. But if I order a box of these, there's going to be 6 in a box, so that's $69. This website is just a basic demo website. Can be completely customized. I mean, we could go to town here. We may have a box size column here, but even though it's shown there, it could be configured to be a bit more clear. Let's add these items to the cart, and so there's the 2 items that I added, and we'll just check out and place that order. Now going back into the eSuite system, and we'll have a look at that. If we have a look at orders for that customer, open it up, what we should see is there is the bacon and the Chico roll that I just ordered, and that's the full cycle on website integration. There's really no limit to the level of integration that can be applied. In fact, we might just have a quick look at some other websites. So, for example, here's one of our customers. This is another B2B website, and in here they've got ice cream, and you've probably seen some of these products on the supermarket shelves. In chilled, they do pâtés, and we've got beverages here, drinks, so sparkling ruby cabernet. Now these prices that I'm showing you here are imaginary. They're not the real pricing, so very careful to protect our customers' proprietary information. But this is how we integrate. Again, I'm not going to go into the detail screens here, but here's the beverages, and I can take that sparkling ruby cabernet off the website very easily. Just right click here and take the web enable off, go back to the website, and go to the home if you like, beverages, go in here. Now there's only 3 of them. So that's another example of a live integrated website, and this website's in use and is being used by Coles and Woolies and supermarkets. Actually, we have an EDI integration as well, which we cover in another video. There's also another website Maggie Beer is using to uh, in here we've got a live products in here. We've got a live integration where items. This is more of a retail website, and so here's products that you can buy online, and this is going through the eSuite system. So the minute you place an order, it's bang straight into the Maggie Beer head office. Another interesting website is VPW, and the reason why this one's interesting is these guys have got 500,000 stock codes or more, and it's a pretty fast website, and yeah, they sell motor vehicle parts. So there's lots and lots and lots of parts in here, and another example of a website is Victoria's Basement. Again, something like they've got tens of thousands of stock items in here. I'm not sure. I think it's about 50,000. And again, a very fast website. This website is totally controlled inside eSuite. Even all the graphics, even all these specials are all controlled inside the eSuite program. We also support iPhone apps. The Victoria's Basement and this particular website both will resize if you've got an iPhone, or a mobile phone. They've got automatic resizing. So lots of options for website integration. Very powerful. It really is there. There's no limit to the data that we can publish because it's all fully integrated, and really anything that you can imagine can be done inside eSuite, and it's not complicated. So get in touch with us. We'd love to hear about your website requirements. Thanks for watching.